Peace, YouTube. Today is going to be a good day. If you want to know why it's going to be a good day, it's just because music has just been soaring through my head ever since I was a little kid, and today is another music day. So it's always a good day when I get to listen and react to music. So Rival Sons is coming up very soon, and I'm just going to see what they have to offer. Now, I have already done just a little, very brief introduction into them recently. And Brian, thanks again for this recommendation. If anybody else would like to buy me a cup of coffee, that would be the surefire way to go ahead and get whatever song that you think from a band, or just if you comment a band or a song, I will react to it. It just may take a while. However, if you were to go ahead and buy me a coffee, then you would see it within a week. I will put a link in the description to do that too. Okay, let's just dive in because I've been looking forward to this for a while. Okay, let's get it. Holy shit, right off the bat, I'm hearing a huge Led Zeppelin influence because that already sounds like When the Levee Breaks right there. So I want to keep going, but I just had to say that.
How do you do it? Tell them that I'm justified. The truth to myself, you know, I feel so low.
Wow, I'm definitely hearing Led Zeppelin influences on this. I mean, I'm very, 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 very much enjoying this little melody section here too. yell with he's got a little bit of a Maynard-esque kind of yell there. good feedback from the guitar there too. So, did these guys top Tool in my mind? Probably not, but it was a very, very, very good decision to check these guys out today. I very much like Rival Sons now, and actually when I was looking for a song to play or react to today, I happened to see that they either covered a Black Sabbath song or they had something to do with maybe Ozzy getting inducted to the Hall of Fame or Black Sabbath or something like that. And you better believe I want to check that out soon too. Now, again, my name is Jonathan, and what I do is I typically put bands up against Tool just to see if there's a band out there that could top them from the #1 spot in this guy's mind, of course. Now, I haven't been able to find them, and I mean, I've been looking for about 30 years now to see if there was a band that could possibly top them, and I still haven't found them. So I guess my point is YouTube, please comment a song or a band, and I will react to it soon. But if you want to see whatever song that you comment or band or whatever, then please, please, please consider buying me a coffee, because number one, I'm poor. Number two, I very, 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 very much like doing this channel now. So I guess that's it for now.